Hello everyone, this is class 10th, subject English. Topic is letter writing and it is formal letter, and in formal letters today we are going to do inquiry letter and for placing order letters. And this is my lecture number 2 of letter writing. In lecture 1, we learned how to write letters to the editor. Topics to be covered today. Letter writing. First of all, we shall read that what is a letter writing, then kinds of letter. After that, format of inquiry and placing order letters. Then one sample of each type today we will discuss, and at last we shall discuss homework solution of lecture 2 of modals auxiliaries. So let us begin with letter writing. A letter is a written message that can be handwritten or printed on paper. Letters are actually written communications. Writing letters is an art and it is mastered through practice only. So the importance of letter writing can be overemphasized. Letters also develop social discourse, strengthen business relations, and win over the officers and employers. Kinds of letters. Letter writing can be divided into two main kinds: formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters include business letters, applications for jobs, letters to editors, letters to principal officers, and letters of complaints to authorities. And informal letters are written to friends, relatives, and parents. So these include private and personal matters such as congratulations, invitation, etc. But today we are going to talk about the letters which are asked in CBSE class 10th English exam. So types of letters to be asked in CBSE class 10th English exam are: letter to the editor of a newspaper. It includes drawing the public attention towards social or common issues. Complaint letters are asked, reporting a lost wallet, cycle, etc. Complaint on neighbors, poor facilities at tourist place, etc. Then next is order placing letter, ordering books, equipments for school, etc. Then next is inquiry letter, planning a trip, details for joining a class, etc. So these are included in class 10th syllabus. Introduction of an inquiry letter. So we shall begin with inquiry letter. An inquiry letter is a formal letter written to inquire and get details regarding something that a person is interested in. It could be written with respect to an item that a person is interested in buying, a course that a person wants to study, a vacation trip that a person wants to go. As the sender of an inquiry letter needs information about something, the inquiry letter must mention the contact details of the sender, where the said information has to be sent, and it must contain the particulars of the thing inquired about. It must also list down all the aspects of the thing about which the sender wants the detailed information. So let us discuss the format of inquiry letter. Format of inquiry letter is same as we read in lecture 1 of letter writing. I told you about the format of a formal letter. So now let us begin with inquiry letters format. The format of an inquiry letter is as follows. First of all, sender's address, and here you can include email and phone number if required. And then after leaving one line, date. Below address you have to write date and leave one space or line. Then after this, the receiver's address will be written, and then subject of the letter. Subject of the letter is very important part of the letter, and it must be written in brief. The next step of a letter is salutation. In salutation, you can write sir or respected sir or madam. Then sixth step is body of the letter. In body of the letter, we can write different paragraphs. We can write 3 paragraphs. In paragraph 1, introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter, means why are you writing this letter. Then in paragraph 2, detail of the inquiry. What do you want to inquire? That detail you have to write in paragraph 2. And at last, in third paragraph, you have to conclude the letter. Then 7th, complimentary closing, that is called subscription also. And at last, sender's name, then signature and designation. So these are 8 steps of writing a letter, a formal letter, or writing an inquiry letter. Now let us read the introduction of an order letter. An order letter is written to place an order for any items. It mentions the details of the items required. It must specify details like address for delivery, deadline for delivery, and mode of payment, etc. An order letter is written for the purpose of purchasing something. It is composed in a formal method of writing. The method for writing an order letter has been discussed in detail here. So now, after this, we are going to discuss the steps. You can see how to compose an order letter and practice. Format is given below. So now let us move to the format of letters of placing orders. The format is same as we read in format of a formal letter, or we have also read in the same lecture the format of an inquiry letter. So let us have a look at this format also. The format of order letter is as follows. In the same manner, first of all, sender's address. Here you can include email and phone number if required. Then after address, sender's address, write date. Below address you have to write and leave one space or line. After leaving one line, then receiver's address will be written. Then subject of the letter. After that, salutation. Then body of the letter. In the same manner, in paragraph 1, introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter. Then in paragraph 2, detail of the articles ordered. And in third paragraph, conclude and end. Then 7th step is complimentary Closing means subscription. After that, you have to write sender's name, signature, and designation. In complimentary closing or in subscription, you can write yours truly or yours faithfully. These are the most common forms in formal letter. Now let us have a sample of placing order. Write a letter to uniform store for placing order of uniforms for your school. So here, first of all, sender's address will be written. ABC Apartments, Lodi Road, New Delhi. Then after leaving one line, date will be mentioned. Here, the date on which you are writing the letter will be written here. Then after leaving one line, receiver's address will be written. The manager, PQR Uniforms, New Delhi. After leaving one line, salutation, respected sir or only sir can be written. After that, subject. Subject is placing order of uniforms. Now, content. This is with reference to advertisement ID 47891 in MNO daily newspaper regarding Khadi uniform. According to the recent notification by Government of Delhi, Khadi uniforms have been made mandatory in government schools. I am sending you the order as per the deal fixed by our delegation. Take care of the quality of the product. It needs to be authentic and fine with no mix of any artificial fabric. Then you will write serial number, product ID, number of products or quantity of products. So here in first column you will write serial number, then the product ID, or here you can write product names even, and then number of products that you want, that you require. So in first paragraph we have given introduction or the purpose of writing this letter. In second paragraph we have told about the things required, and at last we are going to conclude this letter. We are sending a demand draft of rupees 50,000 along with it. Rest of the amount will be paid by check after the completion of order. You are required to send the order within 7 working days. Late delivery or poor quality product can lead to cancellation of order. Quick delivery would be highly appreciated. Thanking you, yours truly, XYZ. If in statement any name, any designation is given, then you are supposed to write the same name and same designation. If it is not given, then you can write XYZ. So this is the example of a letter for placing order. Next sample is a letter for inquiring about showing a movie to the students of a school. So write a letter to the manager of a theater inquiring about showing a movie to the students of a school. First of all, sender's address, then date, after that receiver's address, then salutation, and then subject. Subject will be inquiry about a movie show. This is to inquire about a movie show for the students of our school. We are planning an entertainment trip for our students of class 3rd to 8th. School authorities have decided to show an inspirational comedy movie to our students. This has been decided keeping in mind that they learned something different with a tinge of entertainment in it. This movie has something to learn for both teachers and students. Co-curricular activities team has concluded that Hichki movie is fit for this purpose. I want to inquire about the fire safety system of your theatre, NOC from fire department, license for safe trip of our students. Is your emergency exit in good working condition? The capacity of your theatre, as 400 to 500 members are expected to enroll, excluding staff members. Package that you provide for school trip, refreshment combo you provide. What is the estimated total expense? So these things are to be inquired about that movie. Then conclusion, kindly reply with all the required details. Quick response will be highly appreciated. Thanking you, yours truly, XYZ. So in this way we write letters for placing order or for inquiring about something. I hope you have understood the format of both types. So now let us talk about your homework. For today, your homework is write these two letters in your notebook. First, placing an order for books for the school library or other educational purpose. And next is asking about the details for taking admission in a computer course. So you all are supposed to write these letters in your practice notebook and send me the snapshots of these letters on my ID. Now let us discuss the homework solution of lecture 2 of Nodal's, subject English, and this lecture is for class 10th. So let us begin. MCQs, two exercises were given to you and these are given in the form of MCQs. Options were given to you. So let us begin with the first exercise. She looks pretty sick. I think she dash go to a doctor. So options were should and can. So here it should be should. I think she should go to a doctor. It is a kind of suggestion. You have been driving all day. You dash be exhausted. You must be exhausted. You dash smoke so much. It is bad for your health. So here once again suggestion or advice. You shouldn't smoke so much. It is bad for your health. Hey, I am lost. Dash you help me? So two options are there, can and should. So here for request we use can. Can you help me? Then fifth sentence. You have such a beautiful voice. You dash sing for us. Once again suggestion. You should sing for us. So the words in black color are the answers. I know he speaks 5 languages, but does he speak Arabic? So here the answer will be can. Can he speak Arabic? Means is he able to speak Arabic? Next, that looks very expensive. It dash have cost a fortune. Means it must be very costly. It must have cost a fortune. I dash believe that you failed your test. I can't believe means I cannot believe that you failed in your test. I am on my way. I dash be there in about 10 minutes. I am on my way. I should be there in about 10 minutes. I dash afford that. I can't afford that. So these are the answers. So solution of exercise 1. Now let us move to next exercise. Dash you go already? You only arrived an hour ago. So options are must, should, can. Answer is must you go already? You only arrived an hour ago. When he was young, he dash swim very well. He won medals and championships. When he was young means it is telling us that it is his past ability. So here we shall write could. He could swim very well. The company dash go bankrupt if they don't find a lot of money quickly. So there is possibility of going bankrupt. So the company might, because might is used for possibility. The company might go bankrupt if they don't find a lot of money quickly. Question 4th. You look very confused by the homework live. Dash I help you? So here the answer will be can I help you? I left my purse at home, Lily. Dash will lend me $10. So here it is a polite request. For polite request we use could. Could you lend me $10? Next is it's wet and windy outside today. You dash go out without an umbrella. Options are shouldn't, want, don't have to. So here it is a suggestion. So you shouldn't go out without an umbrella. I think that sign means we dash enter the building. Look, there is a security guard too. Want, have to, mustn't. So the answer is mustn't because it is a rule. I think that sign means we mustn't enter the building. Next is Lindsay watched the movie in French and dash understand very much of it. So options are didn't have to, can't, couldn't. So Lindsay watched the movie in French. So here the verb is watched. It shows that it is done in past. Means the movie was watched in past. So it is past of can, couldn't. So Lindsay watched the movie in French and couldn't understand very much of it. So these are the solutions of exercise 2. I hope you all have understood all the answers. So do these exercises in your notebook and match your answers. If you have done any error, please correct it. If you like our videos, please press the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.